this is the shooting mechanism for the robot. It doesn't have a special name because it doesn't need one. This is a node which gets placed into here by the intake mechanism from under the robot. Of course, it doesn't look exactly like this because it's going to take it from the intake and it's going to sit here. This is not the intake, this is the shooter. When we do want to shoot, the piston's going to activate, pushing the node into these two spinning flywheels, which are going to be about 6,000 RPM, I believe, and it's going to super fast eject it, which will be enough force to get it into the mic, the amp, and the trap. Well, the only thing we're gonna make two major changes. Scratch at 3. We're gonna change these to Falcons, and instead of the piston being mounted this way, it's going to be mounted on the bottom in the opposite direction with it extended out first, because then it's going to be here, and when it retracts, it's going to push this way or pull this way. And then of course this is going to be a box to hold the node. The only problem we had was the speed of the flywheels and getting this into the flywheels when we wanted it to.